Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Oregon Zan and I'm so glad you clicked on my video. Today I'm creating two super cute Valentine shadow boxes. And I'm working on them in my trailer in an RV park while we're on vacation in Southern California. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this frame apart. And mostly everything here is from the 99-cent store. So yeah, I'm going to take this apart and then I'm going to cut 4 1.5-inch strips from this foam board. So 2 of the lengths of the frame and 2 of the widths of the frame. And this will be the structure of the shadow box. So when you're not home crafting or in your, your regular spot, you're bound not to have everything you need. And that's why you see me cutting this foam board with a steak knife rather than an X-Acto knife like I would normally use. And not to mention some dull scissors that we had here in the trailer. But I got it to work just fine. And then I needed to cut off a 1/2 inch off of each of the shorter pieces to make it fit just right. And now I'm just going to glue it together with hot glue. I bought some red scrapbook paper and then a Valentine card to use. And I also decided to cut out some of the words inside the card that say Happy Valentine's Day and glue it underneath. bought a couple of options for the what I was going to put on the inside. I have this shredded paper and some red roses, and I tried that first. But I decided right away that I did not like the way that looked. The roses were they were too fat. Everything looked squished in there, so I didn't like it. So I decided to go with option number 2, which was the little red and pink and white pom-pom balls. Don't worry about that little sticker, I do rip that off. I put some ribbon around the edges and a cute little red bow on top, and there it is. What do you think? Now I'm starting on the second one here, and I'm going to use a gift bag for this one. And I thought these colors were really pretty. And I also got these lavender and pink pom-pom balls, lavender hearts, and the pink lips. So I got the inspiration for this project from another YouTuber, and her channel is called Wicked Sippers, Trippers, and Flippers. So yeah, she was doing this herself, and I thought it was super cute, and I wanted to give it a try. These pink and lavender pom-poms are the only thing I did not get from the 99-cent store. I got these from Joann's Fabrics. And here they are. I think they turned out so cute. Thanks for watching, friends, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I would appreciate it so much. And yeah, we will see you next time.